The Big Five with tonight's 5 special guests. English singing star Brenda Marsh. Astor recording star Phil Lanham. Continental singing stars the Morenos. From the popular stage show Charlie Girl, it's Peter Regan. The star of Godspell, Colleen Hewitt. And featuring the music of Les Patching and his orchestra. And now, here's the star of the show, your host, Tim Evans.
And welcome to the Big Five. Tonight marks SSW's 5th year participation in television, and they're great sponsors to work for. In fact, just before the show, the managing director sent me a telegram, and he said, even though you haven't been with us the whole 5 years, you've now been with us 9.5 months, which means that we've carried you longer than your own mother did. Also, SSW were the first ones to give you a potato crossed with a sponge, and I admit it didn't taste very good, but it sure soaked up the gravy. And while we're at it, how about the woman who walked in the market? She said, could you tell me how much your tomatoes are? And the grocer said, they're 50 cents a pound. She says, the fellow across the street selling them for 40 cents a pound. He said, well, why don't you buy them across the street? She said, because he's out of them. He says, well, when I'm out of them, I sell them for 30 cents a pound. What this all leads up to is, who would ever think you could have fun in a grocery store?